Today's story is called A Quiet Day at the Library. Listen carefully. Practice your English listening. Let's begin. It's a quiet Monday morning. Emma wakes up at 7:30 a.m. She stretches, yawns, and gets out of bed. She looks out the window. The sky is cloudy but peaceful. She brushes her teeth, washes her face, and gets dressed. Today, she plans to visit the library. She loves reading books, especially on days like this. Emma makes a simple breakfast, toast and tea. She eats slowly, enjoying the calm morning. Then, she grabs her backpack and heads out. The library is not far. It takes about 15 minutes to walk there. Emma walks through quiet streets. She sees a few people walking their dogs. Some children are riding bicycles. The air feels cool and fresh. She listens to the sound of birds and the soft wind in the trees. She smiles. It's a good day. When she reaches the library, she takes a deep breath. It's her favorite place in the city. Emma enters the library. It is quiet inside. Only the soft sound of pages turning. She walks past rows of books. Fiction, history, science, travel. So many books. She finds her favorite corner near the window. She takes a seat and opens her book. It's a novel about a girl who travels the world. Time passes slowly. She reads one chapter, then another. She writes a few notes in her notebook. She loves learning new words. At noon, Emma takes a short break. She goes to the small cafe inside the library. She buys a cup of coffee and a sandwich. She sits at a table and watches the rain outside. Yes, it has started to rain. Soft, gentle rain on the window. She feels relaxed and happy. After lunch, she returns to her seat. She reads some more. Then, she borrows 2 books to take home. The rain has stopped. Emma puts on her jacket and leaves the library. She walks slowly, holding her books. The streets are wet, but the sky is clearing. She stops by a small grocery store. She buys some vegetables and bread. Then, she walks home. At home, she changes into comfortable clothes. She makes a cup of tea and sits by the window with her new book. Emma had a simple day, but it was peaceful and full of learning. A quiet day at the library. Vocabulary practice. Peaceful, calm, and quiet. Library, a place where you can read and borrow books. Stretch, to move your body after waking up. Chapter, a part of a book. Borrow, to take something for a short time. Practice sentences. 1. I love spending time at the library. 2. Today is a quiet and peaceful day. 3. I walk slowly and enjoy the weather. 4. I read books and drink tea. 5. Learning English is fun and relaxing.